If there are two things that happen frequently, those are cuts and scratches. I bet it happens with you too. It's very common to scratch yourself with your own nails, thorns, household items, and even on the corners of your furniture. Cuts usually happen more frequently in the kitchen or in the outside area of your house when you are doing some repairs. Most of them aren't very deep and many times heal on their own, but the deeper ones usually cause bleeding, redness, and pain. Besides that, they can also get infected and cause other symptoms, like pus and swelling. However, there is a great natural mixture to treat it. Sage and honey are the perfect combination for a natural antiseptic medicine that can be used to treat cuts and scratches. Did you know that? Sage is known since ancient times for helping treat cuts and scratches thanks to its antiseptic and antimicrobial properties, which stop the growth of bacteria and other pathogenic microorganisms. It also helps restore the tissues for an optimal healing. And organic honey is one of the most popular natural medicines to treat cuts and scratches. Honey has antibiotic, antifungal, and antiseptic properties, which is excellent to prevent and treat infections. It is largely used to soothe the skin, reducing discomfort, burning, and pain. Do you want to learn how to make this natural medicine at home? Ingredients: 2 tablespoons, 1 ounce of dried sage, powder or leaves, 4 tablespoons, 2 ounces of 100% organic honey. Utensils: sterile container, wooden spoon. Directions: if you choose sage powder, set it aside. If you have dried sage leaves, grind them until you have a fine powder. After that, put this powder in a jar that was previously sterilized and add the honey. Mix well with a wooden spoon. Cover it and let it rest in a dark and cool place for 24 hours. After that time, it is ready to be used. To use it on your cut or scratch, clean the area very well and apply the medicine. Gently massage the area and let it act for 20 to 30 minutes. After this period, rinse with warm water. You can apply 2 or 3 times a day until your skin is healed. If stored in the fridge or in a cool place, it can last up to 2 months. Did you know this recipe? Remember that this medicine should not be used on open cuts. Big and deep wounds must be treated by a professional as soon as possible. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.